Now the pilot holes are drilled in all 4 spring hangers. Notice that most of the work of installing the EWP wear pads on the hangers is done from outside the trailer, gaining access between the axles. Now the final holes are drilled before placing the EWP wear pads in place and installing the self-tapping bolts. The pilot holes are marked and drilled in the equalizer. The holes are drilled in both the equalizer and the EWP wear pads. He's installing the bolts, washers, and nuts that are provided with the EWP wear pads, making sure that the washer is on the wear pad side. The complete installation of all 8 wear pads on the trailer took 50 minutes from start to finish.